working with the people, even for the short bits, has already been amazing. I can only think of all the even more amazing things that we are going to accomplish with Mercedes-Benz South Africa and Number Boost together in the future.
We're extremely excited about the fact that we were able to take part in this competition to win it, and the fact that we're able to take it to the next level. Hard work is not something new to us. We are really excited to be part of this program and to really take the opportunity that we've been given to another level and to really make the guys who believed in us proud.
It's great that we've won. I think there were quite a number of great ideas. I wasn't too sure which way it was going to swing, but fortunately it swung our way. And I think there's a lot that we can do with Mercedes-Benz.
The objective of the Ideas program is to give startups access to our partners that are in their relevant industries. And we think that customers are the most valuable connection that a startup can actually have. Not funders, not other things, but customers are the fundamental valuable connection that we want to try to make.
I've seen all kinds of, brilliant needle-moving ideas in our competitions. And you too, you can be the unicorn that we're looking for in our ecosystem. So don't miss out, be a part of this process, be a part of our success story.